Aileen Cannon to hear Trump's claim on special counsel's legitimacy. Fort Pierce, FL. In a high-stakes legal battle, Judge Aileen Cannon will begin a series of hearings that could significantly impact the classified documents case against former President Donald Trump. Trump contends that special counsel Jack Smith, who has charged him in both Florida and Washington, D.C., was unlawfully appointed. Trump's legal team argues that Attorney General Merrick Garland exceeded his authority by appointing Smith without Senate confirmation. The Justice Department maintains that the Attorney General can appoint inferior officers, including special counsels, without such confirmation. Unlike other judges, Cannon is dedicating extensive time to this challenge, reflecting a broader trend of Republican-led scrutiny of the Justice Department's special counsel appointments. The hearings will span 3 days, starting with the legitimacy of the special counsel's office, followed by discussions on a potential gag order against Trump and the funding of the special counsel. Critics have accused Cannon of dragging out the legal process, potentially aiding Trump's aim to delay the trial beyond the November election. Recently, the New York Times reported that 2 federal judges, including the district's chief judge, advised Cannon to avoid taking on the classified documents case when it was first assigned to her. #### Unusual participation of non-parties. In a rare move, Cannon is allowing non-parties to present arguments. Attorneys for nonprofits and former government officials will join the debate, advocating both for and against the legitimacy of Smith's appointment. Supporting Trump's motion, attorneys for former Attorney General and the conservative nonprofit Citizens United argue that Smith's appointment without Senate review grants him excessive power, especially given the political implications of prosecuting a leading presidential candidate. Conversely, groups supporting Smith's appointment, like the State Democracy Defenders, argue that the Constitution permits the Attorney General to appoint inferior officers without Senate confirmation. Attorneys Josh Blackman and Jean Scher will argue against Smith's appointment, while Matthew Seligman will defend it. Blackman acknowledged the rarity of such third-party involvement in a criminal case, expressing gratitude for the opportunity to present their arguments. #### Similar cases and broader implications. This case echoes arguments made in the federal cases against Hunter Biden, where it was contended that the special counsel overseeing his cases was unlawfully appointed due to already being a federal employee. However, judges in those cases dismissed Biden's motions. As the hearings unfold, the legal community and the public will closely watch Cannon's rulings, which could set significant precedents regarding the appointment and authority of special counsels in federal cases.